Step 3, brainstorming possible solutions. In step 1, you connected with the dignity and the humanity of the other person. I'm interested in how you see things. Tell me your story. Ooh, I'm feeling less defensive. In step 2, you looked beyond your partner's positions in order to identify their human needs. In the discussion of where to go on vacation, Toby's needs: I want to find a shady and cool place in nature where I can get away from it all. Miranda's needs are: I want to be able to swim and sunbathe. In step 3, we brainstorm. Here we have Toby's needs, Miranda's needs. They're both on the table. Generate as many ideas as possible for meeting each person's needs. The key to brainstorming is radical openness. Be open. Generate ideas. Just generate idea, 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 idea. It doesn't matter what those ideas are. Don't judge them. Just list. List good ideas, bad ideas, ugly ideas, crazy ideas. Don't evaluate them. List good ideas, bad ideas, ugly ideas, and crazy ideas. Now, why list good, bad, and ugly ideas? Well, because good ideas are, well, good. Bad ideas often turn out to be good ideas. Ugly ideas tell you what you don't want. And crazy ideas often turn out to be the best ones. They're the ones that nobody says because they're afraid. So just list, and list some more. Don't judge. So, with Toby's needs and Miranda's needs on the table, when you list, try to find ways to meet the needs of each partner, but also try to come up with ways to address the needs of both partners at the same time. After you've listed as many possible solutions as possible, after that, then it's time to evaluate them. For each possible solution, ask: does it meet either party's needs? Whose? Does it conflict with either party's needs? Does it meet both parties' needs at once? You might even make a table of pros and cons, something like this. You've got columns for Toby, columns for Miranda, rows for solutions, pro and con for each solution for both Toby and Miranda. So here's an example. How do we solve Toby and Miranda's problem? Well, we can go to the beach. That meets Miranda's needs, but not Toby's. We can go to the woods. That meets Toby's needs, but not Miranda's. How about Hawaii? Well, that certainly meets Toby's needs and Miranda's needs, but it's too far, it takes too long, it conflicts with them as well. We can go to the beach and then the woods. Well, then both people get what they want, but both people get what they don't want either. It's a compromise. The best solution is the state park. Well, because Toby can hang out under the shade while Miranda sunbathes on the beach. At this point, the solution to the problem often becomes obvious. Why is this? People think that the difficult part of conflict resolution is coming up with the solution. Well, that's not really so. The difficult part is what occurs before the solution phase. The difficult parts are the emotional ones, not the intellectual ones of creating solutions. These are the problems of cultivating calmness, honoring dignity, acting with compassion, separating needs from positions, using I statements, not trying to convince the other person, identifying the needs of each other, and not giving in. These are the hard parts. Those are the hard parts, and once you get to this point, the hard parts are behind you. The result becomes a win-win solution or a solution for maximal gain. Thanks for watching.